Are you looking for ways to make money with cryptocurrency? With the digital currency market on the rise, there's never been a better time to get involved. In this video, we're going to show you 10 ways to turn your digital assets into cash. 1. Trading. One of the most popular ways to make money with cryptocurrency is through trading. By buying low and selling high, traders can make a profit on the volatility of the market. 2. Mining. If you have the technical know-how, you can set up a computer to mine for cryptocurrency. This can be a profitable venture, but it requires a significant investment in equipment and electricity. 3. Staking. Some cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, offer staking rewards to holders who keep their coins in a designated wallet. 4. Lending and borrowing. You can lend your cryptocurrency through platforms such as Nexo and Celsius, earning interest on your assets. You can also borrow money using your crypto as collateral. 5. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products and services related to cryptocurrency, you can earn commissions on the sales you generate. 6. Airdrops and bounties. Some projects will give away free tokens to holders of a particular coin, or to those who complete specific tasks. 7. Accepting payments. If you run a business, you can start accepting cryptocurrency as payment for your goods and services. 8. Creating content. By creating educational content about cryptocurrency, such as videos, blog posts, and podcasts, you can monetize your audience through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. 9. Developing decentralized apps, dApps. If you're a developer, you can create dApps and earn cryptocurrency through transaction fees and network effects. 10. Investing in initial coin offerings, ICOs. Another way to make money with cryptocurrency is by investing in new projects through their initial coin offerings. However, this method can be high risk and is not suitable for everyone. With the right strategy and a bit of luck, you can turn your digital assets into cash. Remember to always do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy trading! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto updates and tips.